Hello dear students, this is Vivek Babar and you are watching video lecture on Climate of Bharat chapters topic distribution of rainfall. Dear students, as all of you know, main characteristics of Indian monsoon and southwest monsoon mechanism you have already understood these things. So now, what is the region of distribution of rainfall? First, what is distribution of rainfall? So definitely throughout the year, the conditions of rain across the Bharat is totally different. So annual difference of rainfall is in the different area is actually what? Distribution of rainfall. Dear students, as all of you are aware, the characteristics of monsoon and physiographic division of our Bharat totally depends distribution of rainfall. Okay? So suppose this area is actually front side or face side of this Arabian Sea, and this is all of you understand this is Western Ghats. So definitely due to this rainfall in this area occurs heavier. Okay, hardly matter, but we have to first divide our distribution. So high, or you can say severe, moderate and low. So these sorts of things, annual rainfall area in our Bharat, moderate type of rainfall area in our Bharat and low rainfall area in our Bharat. We are going to discuss here. First, high annual rainfall. That means the area receives more than 200 centimeter of rainfall is actually annual rainfall. Now let me know what are the areas. So first and foremost, this is the steep slope of Western Ghats. So when Arabian Sea branch of monsoon heading towards this area, it directly hits on this mountain series. So definitely this mountain series receives more than 200 centimeter of rainfall. 300 in the part of Thiruvananthapuram. After that 250 centimeter of rainfall in Goa part, Bengaluru part, and in the part of Maharashtra we receives 200 centimeter of rainfall. So dear students, this is first area of Western Ghats which receives more than 200 centimeter of rainfall. Got it? So again another part is northeast part. As all of you know that this is the eastern part of Himalaya and this is the part of hilly area of Garo Khasi Jaintia. Now, when this Bay of Bengal branch heading towards this hits this Bay of Bengal branch monsoon directly hit, that means hit at right angle 90 degree on this Khasi Hills. The East Khasi Hills, the part of Mawsynram receives 1800 centimeter rain. So this is heaviest rainfall across the globe. Okay? And opposite side it falls under Meghalaya and the Shillong is the capital which is opposite to this Khasi Hill. That means the plateau of Meghalaya, Khasi, receives windward side is Mawsynram and the leeward side is what? Shillong. So Shillong receives more than 200 centimeter of rainfall, but not more than that. Because of it is hilly area, so some sort of wind maybe go over there, but not like that as much as in the East Khasi. After that, this area, that means area of northeast state also receives more than 200 centimeter of rainfall. So if it will ask in your examination, write or demarcate on map the heavy rainfall area in India, you should demarcate this area and this area. Okay. Now heading towards moderate type of annual rainfall. As all of you are aware, after this we have this area and the area of Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand is actually the area of what? Area of moderate type of climatic condition. Sorry, moderate type of rainfall. Okay. So this area, northern plain area, especially Gangetic plain area, receives what? Moderate type of rainfall. That means between 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. Not only that, but also you see the northeast part of Purvanchal hills. That means this area, Naga, Patkai part. Okay, it also comes under the area of 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. Now, suppose this part is leeward side of this western Ghat, so this part receives sometime 70 to 100 centimeter of rainfall. Okay. Now, Assam Valley, as I told you, and the Purvanchal hills also comes under the area of moderate type of climatic condition. Sorry, moderate type of rainfall. Okay. Part of east coast. This is the part of east coast. So east coast also comes under the moderate type of rainfall. Now, heading towards low annual rainfall area, that means less than 50 centimeter of rainfall area, you maybe understood this thing. In the moderate type of rainfall area, you have Jammu, not Srinagar, not Ladakh, but Jammu, area of Jammu, okay, and Himachal Pradesh also. And the part of this Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar also comes under moderate type of climate, rain distribution. Now, Ladakh and the area of desert part, that means this is the leeward side of Aravalli Hills. This is Aravalli Hills. So from here to here, we have desert area, less than 20 centimeter of rainfall in this area you can find, and the area you can find also, this is the area which comes under low rainfall. Now this question may ask in your examination like that. So like about Mausiram and about Shillong. So why Mausiram receives heavier rainfall in comparison to Shillong? Both comes under the hill of Khashi. So what is the reason behind it? First and foremost reason, Bay of Bengal branch of monsoon directly hit at 90-degree angle, right angle. That's why moisture laden wind fully focused on this hill, and this hill comes under Mausiram comes under windward side of this Khasi hill. That's why it receives 11,800 centimeter of rainfall. But Shillong, on the contrary, Shillong is actually opposite part of this hill. That means leeward side of the hill. That's why the region Mausiram receives heavier rainfall than that of Shillong. Okay. Again, question may ask, Mumbai receives more than 200 centimeter of rainfall, but Pune receives less rainfall? What is the reason behind it? Or maybe Pune receives below 100 centimeter of rainfall. What is the reason behind it? The only reason is Mumbai comes under the windward side of this Western Ghat and Pune comes under the leeward side of the Western Ghat. So windward side receives more rainfall than that of leeward side. Okay, this is the reason. That sorts of question may be framed like that. In a Gangetic plain area receives more than heavier rainfall than that of the Deccan Plateau. The reason behind it, in the Gangetic plain, both branch, Bay of Bengal branch and Arabian Sea branch comes together and it gets heavier rainfall than that of this Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau comes leeward side of this Western Ghat. That's why it receives less amount of rainfall. So, question may be framed like that in your examination. Okay? So, I hope distribution of rainfall is clear, all of you. Dear students, behavior of monsoon is special for us that it's overcome the climatic situation of our Bharat. So, distribution of rainfall is very important. Okay? So, I hope all of you understand. Suppose Kolkata receives 67 centimeter. Kolkata 162 centimeter of rainfall and Delhi receives 67 centimeter of rainfall. What is the reason behind it? So Kolkata comes under the part of this area, and Delhi is actually part of plateau. In that area we have Aravalli Hills also. So the reason behind it, moisture laden wind not comes as much as comes in Kolkata. The reason behind it, Delhi receives less amount of rainfall than that of Kolkata. So comparatively study, you can easily set over there. Arabian Sea branch, Bay of Bengal branch. The nature I taught you in the monsoon mechanism, you might have remembered all that things. So it is very easy to understand this thing after understanding monsoon mechanism, which I have already taught you in classroom. Okay? I hope it is clear, dear students. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.